Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by clarifying what must be done and why each task matters. This focus saves time later. Once you have a task list, estimate realistic durations and pick a block system, 25/5 or 50/10, so you can sustain attention. Make sure to gather texts, notes, and tools before you begin, and switch your phone to Do Not Disturb. This prevents friction. Begin the first timed block immediately after setup to build momentum and prove the plan works. Once done with setup, map your timed blocks to specific tasks so you know exactly what to work on each session. Tackle the hardest or most important task first when energy is highest. Make sure to schedule short 5-10-minute breaks between blocks and a longer 30-60-minute break after 3 to 4 blocks to reset. Use a visible timer and end each block with a 2-minute review to consolidate learning and adjust next block estimates if needed. You finish by spending 10-15 minutes reviewing what you accomplished and setting the first tasks for your next session. This closes the loop and makes starting easier tomorrow. If interruptions or fatigue reduced productivity, note them and adjust block length or environment to reduce those triggers. If you find yourself stuck, switch techniques. Use active recall, practice problems, or a different subject for one block. Troubleshooting tip. If progress stalls repeatedly,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.